everyone, thank you so much for joining me. My name is Susan Timchak and I'm an independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up! And I'm here to welcome you and to do a little unboxing. So first off, I do have posted here on my board my January host code. We're already midway through January, but I do have a new host code, and if you go to my online store at www.stampinsuecreates.stampinup.net and you place an order and use the January host code as 4BTCBHZW, and if you place an order of $50 or more, you will automatically receive next month a free Stampin' chamois as a thank you gift. Plus, with a $50 purchase, you'll also receive a free item from the Celebration catalog, which you can also view in my online store. You can place an order through any of our current catalogs. But if you have an order that is $150 or more, I ask that you don't use the host code, because then you will receive all the host benefits. So with a $150 purchase, you will get the free Stampin' chamois from me. Plus you will get $15 of free items. Plus you will also qualify for 3 free Celebration items, which is wonderful. So again, don't use the code because I want you to receive all of those fun goodies. But this is a special that is for the month of January 2019 from today, which is, I don't have a calendar available. Let me just check my phone. Hold on. Let me check my phone. Today is the 19th of January. So place it through now through, I believe, I have it posted on my store, but I believe it was the 29th of January, and you'll receive those free items. So I've been away a little bit. If you know, or maybe you don't know, if you follow me on Facebook, my mom passed away. Actually, it was 2 weeks today. So I'm a little behind in all of my boxes. I've had 2 boxes sitting here since before she passed, as she was in the hospital and all that kind of stuff. So I need to open these and I need to get started. I have a ton of thank you cards, and I want to thank everyone that has sent cards, their prayers, their thoughts, and everything for my mom and my family. We greatly appreciate it, and it's been a really rough time, but we're doing okay. We're doing okay. Just didn't realize how much stuff that you have to do when someone passes. So let's look at the first box. There is some items in the clearance section. Sorry about all the crinkling, but this is in the clearance section, and this is our Sweet Soiree Ready Shreddy, and it has 3 different colors in here. It has the white, it has the silver, and it has this pink mauve color. So this shreddy stuff, I love this stuff. It's great for all sorts of little gift ideas, so I wanted to grab that while that was on special. Also, I purchased 4 packages of our note cards and envelopes. These are so quick and simple. Let me just grab, I want to just grab a few cards. I actually use these note cards and envelopes to make thank you cards for everyone that sent mass cards and gifts and food and things like that. I use some of our Celebration paper, which is the butterfly. Well, this one is not the butterfly one. I'm sorry. This is another paper in the annual catalog, but the stamp set is the butterfly stamp set, Butterfly Gala. And I used some of our little sequins. A little thank you very much. Let me grab, there's a whole ton of them here. Let me grab one. Hold on, let me get them all. I may have to be making some more because there's just so many gifts that everybody gave. Okay, here we go. So this background is using the Celebration butterfly paper that you can get for free. And then there's butterflies that some are stamped and some are actually punched out of the paper. So these are punched right out of the paper because we have a coordinating punch that will punch out the butterflies. but I just have a ton of those. Made them quick and simple. You can see how many I've made so far. I believe I have 40 of them, but these note cards are just perfect when you just want to send just a little thank you gift, a little thank you for a gift that someone has given you. So that's one of the free items you can pick. And of course, I had to stock up on my snail adhesive, so I got a bunch of those. I have some upcoming events that I'm finally getting some events on my calendar, so you'll want to go and check out my event page. Also, I needed some new mini glue dots, and I also picked up some Whisper White Baker's Twine. Now, I like to go with white because I can make this any color that I want by using either our Stampin' Blends, markers, ink pads. So if I need a special color, just get the white and make it your own color, right? I like that. And how about the new packaging on, this is the first time I bought glue dots in a while. So Stampin' Up! Has revamped their packaging on all of their boxes and things. Okay, I have another box over here. And Dory's in here like loving the boxes and the paper and everything. So it looks like I got another pack of mini glue dots. I'm going to be doing a lot of glue dotting. And let's see, what else did I get? Oh, I got this beautiful paper. Look at this. Isn't this screaming festive? I have an upcoming birthday class this month. A Stampin' birthday, I think it's birthday celebration. I forget what I actually called it. But I want to incorporate some of this wonderful paper. This paper is How Sweet It Is, Designer Series paper. It's part of a whole pack of, a whole suite, I want to say, a whole suite of products that coordinate. And I love our 12 by 12 papers. All of our papers, our Designer Series papers, are double-sided. So let's take a quick look. So if this is a little too busy for you, these would be great to cut out with your Scan and Cut. I believe we also have framelits. Not sure what all it'll cut out. Or if you like to do some fussy cutting. Now the back has beautiful pattern, just plain pattern. But look how cute these are. These are little gummy bears. Aren't they sweet? And some little striped paper. You get 2 of each. There's some polka dots and a little diagonal stripe. And look at these colors. Aren't they amazing? And look at the back of that, how cute that is. Little gumball machines. I mean, these just are going to make some quick and simple cards. Look how cute these are, the candy jars. This is a definite you're going to want to definitely pick up. And this is in the Occasions catalog, which you can also view on my online store. And again, the name of that, excuse me, and the item number is right there. So if you want to take a screenshot, you can place an order for that. That would be wonderful. All right, next up, we have, this is some of our new flax ribbon. So let's take a look at that. I think this is going, this is white. Let me just use my snips here. There's a piece of tape holding it on the end. And another little tip I want to give you, I don't know about you, but my ribbon tends to run away on me, but that's really stuck on there. And what you can do is just make a little slit in your cardboard roll here and just tuck the end of your ribbon into that. Boy, I'm really struggling with this. Oh, here we go. Okay. Look at this beautiful ribbon. And this is soft. It makes, you can tie a great bow. You can snip this and you could end up, if you snip the edge, you can pull it apart to make it, you know, smaller strings. So that's going to be a lot of fun. And I also got a pack of, these are our Gingham Gala adhesive back sequins. And look at how cute they are. They come with little flowers and little circles. And the best part about those is they already have the adhesive on the back. And the colors are, does it tell me here? But it goes with our Gingham Gala Designer Series paper pack. And next up, I got an all-inclusive kit. If you are new to stamping and you just don't know where to begin, I just want to recommend our wonderful kits. This one is all-inclusive, and it's called Made to Bloom Card Kit. And I'm going to do a video on creating the cards for this. You get, let's see, 4, 8, 12, 16. You make 16 cards. Everything you need is included, even the Stampin' block in here, and the stamp set, and the ink pad. So it's a great way to get started. If you're not a Paper Pumpkin subscriber, this is kind of like Paper Pumpkin, where everything's included. But Paper Pumpkin comes, it's a monthly subscription. And if you purchase those in 3, 6, or 12 months, you can do it month by month, or 3, 6, or 12. You also could qualify for celebration items, which is great. But I will be doing a video on that, so upcoming, so look forward to that. And next I got some cardstock. I went with Tempting Turquoise and Tangelo Twist to go along with my paper here. And the Tempting Turquoise is one of my favorites. I'm running out of room here. And last up, because I spent $50, I got to pick a free celebration item. And I got this organdy ribbon combo pack. This also goes with the, excuse me, I have a frog in my throat this morning. This coordinates with the sequins and the Gingham Gala paper pack. And for a purchase of $50 or more, you get this whole pack. You get all 5 of these ribbons. And look how beautiful those colors are. They are just screaming spring. And who is ready for spring? Here in Northeast PA today, we are awaiting a huge snowstorm. I know everybody's been talking about it all week, and some of it may be ice, some of it may be snow, some of it may be, well, I guess we won't know till it's all said and done. It's supposed to arrive sometime this afternoon, so my plan is to be up here in my stamp room and to work on some of my projects, my upcoming classes, my thank you cards, get those out, and I just have a lot that I want to do. So I'm kind of happy, shall I say, that a snowstorm is coming, which you don't normally hear from me, but I kind of am, because this way it's a reason to be stuck in the house, except to be going outside and shoveling every now and then. But yeah, well, we'll see what happens. I'll keep you posted through Facebook. So if you're not yet a subscriber to my Facebook page, I'm over on Facebook at Stampin' Sue Creates. I'm currently running a little giveaway over there where I'm asking you to take a picture of some Valentine projects you're doing, of course, using Stampin' Up! Products. And at the end, we're all going to vote on it, and one lucky winner will win a prize. I'm not quite sure yet what prize, but it will be something fun from Stampin' Up! So go head on over there and subscribe. I also have a VIP group where the promotion is running. So if you go on to the Stampin' Sue Creates on Facebook, you can get forwarded to my VIP group as well. And if you're not sure about that, send me a message and I will add you to the group. So I hope you enjoyed this small little unboxing. I know it's been collecting dust here on my desk, and I was anxious to get into this, to open this up and get working on some fun projects. So don't forget my January house code, my free Stampin' Chamois gift as a special thank you for placing an order through my online store at www.stampinsuecreates.stampinup.net. All right, everyone, I hope you have a super Stampin' Day, and I'll be back here, I can't even speak today, really soon with the next fun video. So be sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on that, and indicate that little bell to click on that as well. All right. Sorry, I'm a little rusty in videos. It's been a while. But have a great day, everyone. We'll see you very soon. Bye for now.